Okay, so I wanted to do a very quick 1 minute tutorial on how to change your CMS collection list. So I think a lot of times people get hung up. They want to change their collection list. They built things out and maybe you linked the wrong list from the start and you see this little lock. It won't let you change it, but you know you have a different list you need to get to. The only way to do that without deleting everything is to come down to anything that you have linked to that collection list. So in this case, if you come down here, you can see I'm getting the text from my blog posts. If I uncheck that, you can scroll back up to your top collection list wrapper, and now you'll see that lock is removed and you can pick any other appropriate CMS category. So that is the only way to change your CMS collection without deleting it out. This can become cumbersome if you have quite a few things linked to those collections. So up to you what you think the easiest thing to do is, but just remember to unbind or uncheck from your current CMS to change it. If you have any other questions or need some more helpful hints, just drop it in the comments. Till next time, bye.